So our first tweet is from Gordon Ramsay. 6:30 a.m. May 15th, 2016. It has 4.8k retweets and comments and 1.7k likes. He posted, "New curry milkshake, check out the recipe. https://www.chicken.com/. I'll leave the link if you want the recipe." So our second tweet is posted by Michael Colon, and he simply puts, "End racism, poo emoji, fist emoji, smiling emoji, and then monkey emoji, fist emoji, and a smiley face." So I thought I would just want to add a nice message, So our next tweet was only up for 13 seconds. It was posted by Twitter. 11th July 2020, 4:05 a.m. It says /add 2.340, 560 followers, ... 2390 / Donald J. Trump. This could suggest that they're adding followers to play to celebrities' accounts and stuff like that. But who knows? So our next tweet is by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. It says, "Can someone send me some protein? I've ran out, so I stole my baby's bottle. He's now crying like a child. Angel emoji, smiling, and muscle flex." Our next tweet is by Kanye West. It was posted on July 17th, 2020. It's saying, just jumped the border to visit my homies. Free my boy Jose." I don't see anything wrong, but just nice craps in it. So our next tweet is by Bill Nye. It was tweeted on June 21st, 2016, 2:47 a.m. It says, "First person to DM me the cure to cancer will be instantly entered into my $10 Amazon gift card giveaway." I think this is a great opportunity to give back to the community, so I just wanted to include this one in here. So our last tweet is from Notch. It's on the 25th of July 2019, 11:58 a.m. "Just bought another yacht thanks to Minecraft, and new kids are smashing controllers due to Minecraft."